So I'm done downloading my Python and my text editor, which is VS Code, which is my preferable text editor. So the first thing I need to do is to go to either I open my file using via the browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge, or I just navigate to the folder where my software is. Um, Most likely a download folder. And so it's opening. So I'm using a virtual environment. It's a little bit slow. I didn't do a lot of allocation of um, memory to it, so um, just will give it a few moments to actually pick up. So I've double clicked on my Python software, and it's trying to load up software itself. So what I'm going to do is to install now, and I'm going to say add dot um, python.exe to path, because I don't want to have to do it myself. So if you use admin privileges when installing Python, yeah, not really, but I think I'm good. So it's initializing and trying to install. It's not gonna ask you any other thing after this. So we'll wait until it finish installing. And so now that it has the Python has been installed, so so it's showing me successfully setup was successful. So disable path length limit. This just disable it. Um, I don't have the. I don't think this is within the purview for um, um, to explain why. So just disable it. Um, yeah. So just disable it. There's need for that, and yeah, that'll be it. So you can close. Um, so by the time you let me go to my command prompt, and I'll still do just to test the Python again. Um, um, just hold on a little. The command prompt is taking time to come up. So open my command. So I'm just gonna type Python dash dash version on my command prompt, and you can see it has already installed. It just shows me that it has already installed. Now I also need to install a virtual environment. See, virtual environment, like I mentioned, I don't know if they discussed it on in the class. It's like a container that you use to do things, install libraries. Um, Basically, in software development or software engineering, you use them to containerize different libraries you want to use to build something. So, a case in point, you want to use to build a software or a web application. So, in order for me to check if I have virtual environment installed, what I just need to do is to type on my command prompt pip freeze. This will just show me the softwares I have uh, uh, together with Python because Python comes with a lot of libraries. So this will just show me